Here's an easy recipe made with rolled oats. You need only one bowl to make this one. You start by cracking the eggs into the bowl. Then you add the brown sugar. Mix for 1 minute until well blended. Add the natural peanut butter. The crunchy one is the best for this recipe. Mix again until incorporated. If you process the rolled oats in a blender, you obtain a flour that is going to improve the texture of the cookies. Add the oat flour, baking powder, and salt to the mixture. Optionally, add a flavor, such as vanilla. All the ingredients are in the bowl. All that is left is mixing everything together. And you're done. Scoop equal portion of the cookie batter on a baking sheet, lined with parchment paper. Space the cookies approximately 1.5 inches apart, to leave them space to grow during baking. You won't know these soft, delicious cookies are made with oats. If you want, you can drizzle a little bit of chocolate on top, to make them irresistible.